Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through using the Great Wolf Lodge Paw Pass online to maximize your family's vacation savings before you even arrive at the resort. The Paw Pass is a pre-purchased attraction bundle that unlocks major activities like Magic Quest games, arcade points, and custom creations at the stuffing station for one flat rate. To use it online, you need to apply it directly during your initial booking process on greatwolf.com. Once you select your travel dates and preferred suite style, click over to the dedicated Attractions and Packages tab on the checkout screen. Locate the Paw Pass option, adjust the quantity to match the number of children in your pack, and add it directly to your reservation cart. Your total bundle discount will automatically apply to your final billing summary. When you arrive at the lodge for check-in, simply let the front desk staff know you pre-purchased the package online, and they will instantly hand over your physical passes so your kids can start exploring right away. Subscribe the channel for more videos.